Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying connection quality and eliminating simple culprits. First, connect to the fastest stable network. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or strong mobile data, because lower latency directly reduces packet delay. Once done, force close background apps that eat bandwidth and CPU. These create jitter. Make sure game mode or a performance profile is on, then restart the router or toggle airplane mode to refresh IP and DNS. This sequence clears transient issues fast and primes the device for deeper tuning. Now you tweak settings to reduce load and stabilize frames. Lower in-game graphics and frame targets because fewer rendering cycles means more predictable network timing. Disable effects like shadows and anti-aliasing. They mask lag but cost CPU. Next, stop auto updates and background sync so bandwidth and I/O are dedicated to the game. For network routing, switch DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, and enable UDP or booster services in the game. These reduce lookup delays. Finish by applying durable fixes and preparing to troubleshoot if problems persist. Update router firmware, your device drivers, and mobile legends to avoid known bugs that cause spikes. If local routing is poor, test a gaming VPN, but only if it demonstrably lowers ping. Always test in a custom match. If lag remains, collect latency logs and screenshots, switch networks to isolate the issue, and report to support with timestamps and device model. This gives you a clear path to resolution and evidence if escalation is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.